This is Eric from Richmond Honda House, richmondhondahouse.com, and today we're looking at the Honda Talon. This is the 1000R and the 1000X. We're going to go a little detail in these today and give you a good look around them. All right guys, this is what you came here to see. The Honda Talon. It looks amazing, great lines. You got that big beefy suspension. This right here is the X model. This is designed for tight woods, tight handling. It has a 999cc unicam parallel twin engine. It uses the same technology as Honda's legendary motocross bikes. The 270-degree firing order makes for strong torque pulse and high performance tuning, gives you fast revving linear power delivery from low to high RPMs. The 6-speed dual clutch transmission has no belts, so there is no power loss from belt slippage. This gives you a higher percentage of power directed straight to the ground. Hold up the 300 pounds back here. Lots of tie-down points, so you can really secure what you want to do. Some more access panels back here. Here's the passenger side, everybody. You got your fuel, adjustable seating, your oh crap handle. It's fully adjustable too, so you can, depending on how big you are. You got your glove box here. Looks like a lot of room. Let's see if a big guy like me will fit in here. Let's see. Let's check it out. Yeah, I could passenger one of these. Wow, that's amazing. A lot of times I'm very cramped in these, so that's pretty good. Love that it comes with the roof. Check out the driver's side again. So in here, you have your adjustable seating. It's all the way back from you here. You also can adjust the steering wheel. Just a little click of the lever here, comes down. So it can fit any kind of riding, any style of driving where you really want it, but you can really customize where you want it. Got your paddle shifters right here for up and down. This does have the DCT transmission, so it is a fully automatic that way, but you can also put it in manual and select what you want and do exactly what you want it to do. And while it's in automatic, you can still interrupt it and put it in the gear you want. It also has a hill descent system to really help you if you're on those hills, so it doesn't have any rollback at all. It has two-wheel drive and push-button four-wheel drive as well. It's really, really nice. I feel like I'm not too cramped. I got plenty of room for a helmet in here. It's snug, but it's like it should be, because you don't want too much. You want to feel like you're in part of the unit. You can really feel the feedback that the unit's giving you. Yeah, let's take a look at these bucket seats. So in here, you could tell they really took the time to put really comfortable seating in here. I'm a big guy and I really fit in this really well. It actually was kind of hugging me. It was really nice. Lots of adjustability here. The back does not adjust, but that's fine. You're a big guy, Doug. How's it going? So guys, so just so you know, so I'm 6'4", about 300 pounds. Doug is 6'1". I'm not gonna ask him his weight, but he's a big guy. And we have plenty of room in here. So if you're worried about that, there's tons of room. There's plenty of room above our head. I'm not bumping, look, I'm steering, I'm not bumping into him at all. You know, the only way I know where the air is if you talk to me, that's it.
Trying to sleep here.
But yeah, thanks a lot, Doug. I really appreciate you helping me out. Show everybody that the size-wise, you got plenty of room in this unit.
Yeah. We'll edit that part out.
But I'm very happy that they made them open the way they did, because that's easier to get in and out. Definitely. Yeah. Yeah, they hit a home run. Honda hit a home run. I love the graphic on this one. It looks like just the 100X has the actual Talon on it, where the 100R, the race one, just has the wing livery on it. Here we have the Honda Talon 1000R. This is made more for your open road, whoops, high speed, desert riding, open stuff. It's got a much longer wheelbase than the X. It's wider, and it has about 5 more inches of suspension travel. Under here, it's supported by the big Fox shocks with the adjustability. It's a beautiful looking machine. The difference with the Honda Talon 1000R is its wheelbase of 92.7 inches, width of 68.4 inches, has a double wishbone front suspension with 17.7 inches of travel, and a 4-link trailing arm rear suspension with 20.1 inches of travel. This setup, along with its longer wheelbase and wider stance, make the R have amazing high-speed tracking and bump absorption. It also has a turning radius of 21.3 feet. Want to give a shout out to the Honda IMS team for letting us come to the IMS show early and shoot this footage and let us get a hands-on look at the 2019 Honda Talon 1000X and 1000R.